Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to completely remove McAfee Antivirus from your Windows 10 PC, step by step. Whether you're switching to another antivirus or just want it gone, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu, then go to Settings. Next, click on Apps. This will bring up a list of all the programs installed on your computer. Scroll through the list and look for anything that starts with McAfee, such as McAfee LiveSafe, McAfee Total Protection, or McAfee WebAdvisor. Click on the McAfee program, then hit Uninstall and confirm by clicking Uninstall again on the pop-up. Windows will begin removing the program. Follow the uninstall wizard. You may be asked why you're removing it. Just continue through the prompts. The uninstall process can take a few minutes, sometimes up to 10, so just be patient and wait until it's completely finished. Once McAfee is uninstalled, go ahead and restart your PC. Even after uninstalling, McAfee can leave behind some files. To completely remove it, we'll use the official McAfee removal tool, also known as MCPR. Go to McAfee.com/support and search for MCPR. In the search bar that says "How can I help you?" just type uninstall. From the search results, select the article titled "How to Uninstall McAfee Products from a Windows PC." Scroll down in the article until you see option 2, Removing using the McAfee Consumer Product Removal Tool, and click on it. Scroll down a bit more until you find Download the MCPR tool, and click the link to start the download. Once it's downloaded, run the tool. Follow the on-screen instructions. Click Yes if prompted by User Account Control. Accept the license agreement, and the tool will begin scanning and removing any leftover McAfee components. This process can also take a few minutes, so be patient and let it finish. When it's done, you'll see a message that says Removal Complete. Now, restart your computer. After restarting, go back to Settings Apps and make sure McAfee is no longer listed there. And that's it! You've completely removed McAfee from your Windows 10 computer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.